Daily. I think I had a prediction for a wave 5 double bottom. Pointed it out here. We broke through that level. It didn't really matter, basically. Let me show you something too. I want to talk about. A lot of times as a trader, you want to be right. You want to make sure. You want to feel like you know what you're doing and what you're looking for. What I've kind of learned is just kind of silly. Really, it really is silly to pretend like you know whenever you're really just trying to try something on, trying to guess. People are looking for so much clout and authority out here, and that's sad. Really, to be a good trader, you're gonna have to be slippery. You're gonna have to be adjustable, adaptable. Uh, I see a lot of parallels with boxing and trading, and that's I study boxing. I love boxing, and that anybody who knows, you know, the game, the whole reason that Mayweather was able to change, was able to last so long was because he was able to adapt. He was able to switch up his stance, and use different looks throughout a fight. So you only get to that level through being a student. And for me, for this, me trying to predict the wave, the Elliott wave. So maybe this was 1 and then 2, and then this long move is maybe a 3. Then I counted like this: ABC 1, 2, 3, pullback as a 4, and then maybe this was supposed to be 5. But it kind of got crazy. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of moving a little bit too much. That's because I need to get tighter with understanding Elliott wave theory. That's something new, man. I just took Irek's class. He had like a 14 days free promotion, and I took it. And I learned a lot, but that doesn't mean that I understand exactly how to use everything that I learned. And maybe that whole wave thing is not as sturdy as it needs to be before I start trying to predict shit. Anyways, got beat here. For some reason, I'm obsessed with trying to take this higher. Right now, I just don't. It's not comfortable. It's just not comfortable. We're kind of, this is acting as like a cap to the price movement. There's 20 EMA. I don't think we're going up above that anytime soon, right now. So, GBP, NZD. Let me tell you something real quick, man. You see this sideways movement, this 1, 2, 3, 4 bars, and then you have this breakout. That doesn't mean that we're going to keep breaking out. That doesn't mean this is the beginning of the move. It just means we're done moving sideways. We might get to this 20 and chill. We might be done right here. I don't know. But I think whenever you're trading with the idea of what's right and what looks enticing about the setup, right? You end up trading too much. So I'm looking for mistakes. I'm looking for what's bad about this chart. You know what I'm saying? It looks like we're breaking through here, but we also don't have a pullback for like a proper intraday entry. So that's how I would do it. Even if I did take this, say we had like a beautiful setup on intraday, I wouldn't aim at anything above this 20 MO for now. I'll probably just take a quick win and keep it moving. So I'm not going to watch that. Don't feel like we're doing anything there. I'm not really feeling this. It's very sideways. Not sure on this. We might be bottoming out right in here, but as far as time to get in, not so much. I do like this right here. Oops, daily. Double-ish bottom type of thing, and then we had that crazy breakout. But really, honestly, man, I don't know if I even have it to where I can predict this breakout from this move. You know, not yet. It's not something I'm super comfortable with. And plus, you see how small and tight these bars are. That doesn't look like an extreme breakout next to me. It just doesn't. GBP, AUD. This looks like we're trying to match this, and that'll be like what do we call that? Tweezer bottom. And so I'm gonna be looking for this to exhaust and go up higher. Maybe. Okay, we came down off of this trend line, we came through it, touched on the bottom of it, made some money here, looks like. Close out break even, did not make money there. I'm gonna look for another touch here, reversal candles. Maybe take it down, something like that. Something like this, man. It's not going to be the best trend line in the world, and I'm not going to keep it, but it'll be something like this. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. Something like that. Okay. 4 hour. I'm not really feeling the intraday charts at all. I'm not feeling that at all. It's just not time, man. And it's silly to overdo it. Overdo it on the whole, hey, I understand this timing exactly. That's why you watch it for a while, man. When you watch it for a while, you start to realize, okay, this is beautiful. This reversal is crazy confirmed and just dropped off the face of the freaking earth for 3 months in a row, dropping low. We did not get like a proper pullback to get into this though. This is like, wow. Yeah. I like seeing stuff like that. But yeah, as far as an intraday right now, I'm not really feeling it. I'm not really seeing anything worth jumping into. Okay, let's go to the euro. Try to see what's going on here. Big move yesterday. Small move today. Kind of like a screwed up head and shoulder type of pattern. Let's see if we got some pressure to move down. Not really. It looks like we were climbing down and then we kind of went sideways. You notice that we had the double bottom look and then a little bit of pullback. And now back to about around that double bottom area. I don't really see this being a smart place to get in. Short, maybe long, but there's no real signs to go long yet. No bullish signs. Euro, JPY. Interesting. Higher time frames don't support a bearish move. They're neutral. There's a quick play trigger because it's end of wave 5. Or at least that's what I thought. Interesting. Nothing, man. I wouldn't say. Y'all know how I like to trade this pyramid reversal stuff. Getting in late like this, yeah, we're going down. Yeah, we're trending downward, but getting in late, it's risky because the move might be done. The move might be done. The bulk of it is done, at least. To run down, you could say the bulk of this move is this middle section right here, and then we kind of chilled out. So that's kind of where we're at right now, is the chill out phase, not necessarily the keep climbing down. It's okay. Good thing is you don't have to get them all. You only got to get a couple of them. This is daily, weekly, real clean moves, very green, very smooth move up. And this is, again, like a head and shoulder-ish pattern. That doesn't say that we're going to continue going higher. It says we might be rolling over right here. So, yeah, that's what that looks like. And then trying to call it from way back here is asinine. There's no way. Just no move, no real play for us in that move, at least. And you have a drop down, Euro CHF. Look for a bullish reversal. See, I'm done with these comments because when you're looking for the wrong thing and you're just looking for a certain thing instead of, you know, reading the chart and making decisions, you're just going to screw yourself up. You're going to screw yourself up here. We're trying hard to take this down. This little stutter step is nice, but it's still not like a pyramid reversal type play. That's the problem. See what I mean? So high, and then we have like this. Maybe that down, but this right here, this is not pyramid reversal. This is extended out. So notice, you have something like that, and then you got something out here. Yeah, so that's a whole different shape. It's not equal, but yeah, no. You can probably catch some of these peak moves right here. Boom, boom, boom. Stuff like that. Yeah, but it's not going to be as easy as it seems. Let's see. Monthly, weekly, daily. Yeah, man. That's a rough one. 4 hour. Messy. Yeah, messy as hell. Euro AUD. This looks like a head and shoulder from a short-term perspective. Sitting right on the crucial level from the weekly perspective. We drop down. Looks like, yeah, we drop down from there. Not really trending though, man. This is just chop. So can't be trying to force it. Can't be trying to force it. All right. That's the end of this one. I'll go to the next video for the next